this way where it's going to be set up where you have to tell me the corresponding parts, statement of proportionality, and then you have to solve. Okay? So let me at least do most of it for you, but you'll do the solving at the end. Okay, so look. This is a similarity, whoopsie. This is a similarity statement. So this little, here, let's use a color, well, whatever. Okay, this little wave means that one is bigger, one is smaller. It's similar. It's not congruency, a twin or a clone. It's a similarity, meaning one is larger than the other, so a scale factor exists. Okay, this is like first, middle, last name, first, middle, last name. The letters in the similarity statement tell you everything you need to know. They tell you how they correlate, how they correspond. Okay, so some of you will have to do the 1, 2, 3. Half of you will not. You'll just understand it, okay? This gives you order. It tells you the first vertex is J, or the first letter is J. The first letter is P. These two correspond. K goes with Q because they're the second letter. F goes with R. It's the second letter. They correlate in the similarity statement. The way they name the triangle and the way they name the triangle is in the same order. Okay, so they tell you to write the corresponding congruent angles. If I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, J and P are the first, K and Q are the second, F and R are the third. That's the order. Okay, so if you guys are writing your corresponding congruent angles, 1, 2, 3, angle J is congruent to or equal to angle P. Angle K is congruent to angle Q, meaning they're the same degree. Angle F is congruent to angle R. Okay, if you guys want to use a little measure, you also want to, because remember, look, for those of you guys that are freshmen, sophomore year, you're going to take the PSAT, so you want to know how to read your geometrical right symbols. This means the measure of angle J is the same measure as angle P. The measure of angle K is equal to the measure of angle Q. The measure of angle F is equal to the measure of angle R, meaning if J is 65 degrees, what's the measure of angle P? Right, they're the same. Okay, so if you have angle R is 47 degrees, what's F? 47. Right? Okay, so you gotta know the similarity statement. So the fact that I only have one angle here and I only have one angle here, I have R and F. I know this is 47, and if you know this is 180, you got K, and so now you got Q. Okay? Okay, so, because at the bottom you guys have to find the unknown. See how you have to go P, F, K, and Q? Okay? All right. Write the statement of proportionality. Okay, how do you write the statement of proportionality when you don't have colors? There's no markers. I'll come afterwards with the markers. Because look, when I look at this, you cannot assume that the left goes with the left, the right goes with the right, and the bottom goes with the bottom. No, as you guys move on in your high school math, stuff is going to rotate and flip. So you cannot look at it visually and assume that they're set up visually. That's why the statement gives you everything. Okay, so look, your sides are going to be written with 2 letters because look, this side has J and K, right? So JK is this length. KF is this segment, that side. JF is this side. So you need 2 letters to create a side, right? It has 2 endpoints. Okay, so the statement of proportionality, you're going to go 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 1 and 3. Okay, so 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is letter J and letter K. So JK. So my JK is here. And then what are the two letters on this triangle? What are the two letters? Yeah, PQ. And so the two letters here are PQ. And so that pink side correlates to that pink side. The statement is what's going to give it to you. Okay, so then next, grab the second and the third letter. KF, right? And what does KF correlate to? Right, QR. We'll go green. And then, elimination, right? What's the first and the third letter? J and F. So JF correlates to PR. So JF, PR. And by the way, if you go RP or PR, you don't get dots, okay? Okay, so look, you guys have to understand the similarity statement. That statement, you're not going to get a list of like measurements. You're going to have labeled triangles. They're going to give you the similarity statement, and you better be able to find all the unknowns based on this order, right? Okay, so now it says, write the statement of proportionality, but substitute from the diagram. So now I'm going to look here and look at my colors, and it's like, okay, JK has an X. Here, let's do colors, because this looks pretty. Okay, so JK has X, PQ has 2.3, what's this? KF is 7, QR is 5, JF is 9.4, and I'm assuming, what am I doing? Y, PR, Y. Okay, so now you substituted from the triangles, yeah? Okay, if I shift a little. So now the last part says, find the unknowns and show your work. Okay, pink, orange, or green, which is your scale factor? Which color? Right. Right? 7/5, that's my scale factor, right? That's 7/5 is my scale factor. You can write it on the side, but you better know that's what it is, right? Your most important ratio is the ratio or the fraction with two numbers. So if you want to solve for X, it's this crisscross, right? If you want to solve for Y, it's this crisscross, right? Yes? Okay, and then fill it out. So stop there. I'll let you guys kind of work on it, and then tomorrow we'll kind of look at it. We'll make sure you guys have the right answers. Plus, there's only 4 minutes left. All the scratches on my hand are from my brother's cats. My cat never scratches me. Look at it. They're 2 cats, and they're really mean, you guys. Look at that. 1. Look at that. Scratch, scratch, scratch. But they're family, Your family's pets are still family pets, right? They want me to leave them alone, and I never do. So I get attacked. Okay, here we go. Let's